Hey everybody, Tom here from HID Projectors. We're going to go through how to install the harness for your H3 Hummer. So what I have laid out here is the harness. I'm going to walk through all the options here. So the first thing you'll notice when you take this harness out is you have a red wire. This is going to go to your battery, positive terminal on your battery. Then you have this black box. This is the relay box. So this gets mounted like this, upwards. You don't want to get any water into those wires. So mount it like this, preferably on the side of your core support or on the side of your fender liner or something like that. And you have two sets of wires coming out. So a small set with this group of wires on it. This is for the high beam. This is going to plug into the back of the headlight, and this is going to go to ground. You have the exact same set over here, but it's longer. That's going to go to the driver's side. So all this is going to happen on the passenger side, and you have this connector here, which is going to plug right into your passenger side headlight socket. So this plugs into the passenger headlight socket, and it gets the on-off high beam, low beam signal. And then this part here plugs into the back of your headlights. So you'll have this connector coming out, and you'll notice there's a black and a red wire. So you just have to line them up, red to red, black to black, and plug them in like that. Then you'll have this connector here. This is for the high beam. You'll have this little black connector coming out of the back of your headlight as well. Black and a red wire as well. Can only go in one way, and it just snaps in like that. Do the same thing on the other side. Put this to a ground bolt, and you're done. Any questions? Give us a call, 716-662-3479. Thanks for watching.